Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to find existing social media accounts using a open source information gathering tool called Maigret. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So let me first open my terminal. And let me just run sudo enter my password. And let me just head on over to my website, to the website for the tool. I'll be placing the link in the description for the tool to save you guys the trouble. So the first command is pip install pip3 install Maigret. Now this might take some time depending on your internet speed.
So now that I have successfully installed pip, let me just head on over to the web browser here and copy the link for me to clone the tool. So let me just copy this right here, head on over back to my terminal and paste it. Now as you guys can currently see, the tool is cloning. Now this may take some time depending on how fast your internet is. Now that the tool is cloned successfully, I am now going to copy the last command, which is to install the requirements for pip3. So let me just go ahead and paste that right there. So now that is finished, I'm now going to use the last command, which will be used to find any account that I have under the name TechnoGeek876. Now, as you guys can currently see, the tool is searching for my social media accounts that I have under the name TechnoGeek876. So let's just give it some time. Now, as you guys can currently see, the tool found my TikTok account. As you guys can currently see, my TikTok ID is currently showing, my bio and my followers count, how many hearts I have on TikTok, which simply means that how many likes I have gotten. Now, as you guys can also see, the tool has also found my Buy Me a Coffee account, which I also have under the name TechnoGeek876. So as you guys can see, this tool is pretty useful. Now let's just give it some time to finish.
So now that everything is finished, that's about it for today's video. Don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video to someone who you feel as if this video would be pretty helpful to. And yeah, that's about it. Until next time, TechnoGeek is out.